The camera sees your world, but the AI is blind without your phone. These $616 glasses nail style and video, but the smart features are shackled to your smartphone. The 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera is a genuine leap over the original. Footage is sharp, colors pop, and the 3K resolution at 30 frames per second gives you usable clips for social media without pulling out your phone. It's the closest thing to a hands-free action cam that doesn't look like one. Open-ear audio is surprisingly good. The speakers deliver clear mids and punchy bass without blocking ambient sound, making them perfect for city walks or bike rides. You'll hear traffic and your playlist, a rare combo that feels safe and immersive. Battery life is a major upgrade. You get up to 8 hours per charge, which actually holds up in real-world mixed use, shooting clips, listening, and asking the AI. Plus, the charging case adds 48 hours on the go, so you can leave the cable at home for days. The iconic Wayfarer design is a huge selling point. They look like classic Ray-Bans, not tech gadgets, so you'll actually wear them in public without feeling like a cyborg. The matte black finish is subtle, and the build feels premium, solid hinges, and a comfortable fit. Real-time translation is a killer feature for travelers. It works between English and 6 other languages without Wi-Fi, so you can order food or ask directions in a foreign country with just your glasses. It's not perfect, but it's far better than fumbling with a phone app. Here's what you get. Number 1 selling AI glasses. Tap into iconic style for men and women and advanced technology with the newest generation of Ray-Ban Meta Smart AI glasses. Capture photos and video recordings, listen to music, make hands-free calls, or ask Meta AI questions on the go. Up to 8 hours of battery life. On a full charge, these smart AI glasses can last 2 times longer than previous generations, up to 8 hours with moderate use. Plus, each pair comes with a charging case that provides up to 48 hours of charging on the go, and 3K Ultra HD. Record sharp videos with rich detail. Hands-free video recording with an ultra-wide 12 megapixels camera in up to 3K resolution. Record clips up to 3 minutes per session. Capture sharp, vibrant memories while staying in the moment. Meta AI is a paperweight without your phone. Every AI query, object ID, or translation requires a Bluetooth connection to your smartphone and an internet connection. So this smart glasses is actually your phone in disguise. If you leave your phone at home, you're stuck with just a camera and speakers. Video recording is capped at 3-minute clips. That's a hard limit that kills any creative flow. You can't capture a concert or a long hike without stopping and restarting. For $616, you'd expect more flexibility, especially when rivals like the Echo frames offer longer recording. The charging case is bulky. It's roughly the size of a glasses case, but it's thick and heavy, so it won't slip into a pocket. You're committed to carrying a bag or jacket, which undercuts the wear-anywhere freedom. Price is steep for what's inside. At $616, you're paying a premium for the Ray-Ban name and the Meta AI hype. But the camera is still a 12-megapixel sensor that can't touch a $400 smartphone's quality. And the AI features are still in beta. Object ID often misses, and translations can be clunky. The Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 are the best-looking smart glasses you can buy, and the camera and audio are genuinely useful. But the $616 price is hard to swallow when the AI features are tethered to your phone and the video limits feel arbitrary. If you're a content creator who wants hands-free shooting, they're worth a look. But wait for a sale or consider a cheaper alternative. Check the latest price and alternatives in the description below, and tell me if you'd wear these in public.